Alright, this is Jonathan with SOS Roofing, doing a repair at 53 Daniel Morrell Lane. Gonna be replacing this shingle. You guys called for 6 shingles to be replaced for the hail damage that's here, so we're gonna be replacing this hail damage shingle on the left slope. Here's my coworker, he's gonna film it. Alright, so using a standard flat bar, just start pulling the shingle up. Okay, so already with pulling this shingle up, we have a tab that's broken loose. This is the shingle where the hit is, so I'm going to continue to work, but that's most likely going to happen on these two as well. So on the shingle above it, we already have a broken tab. It's happening on every tab. It's delaminating itself. I'm not lifting it up past an inch and a half to get this thing loose, and it's just going to come apart. I mean, it's a 22-year-old roof, so what are you going to do? As I'm saying, all these tabs are popping loose. I mean, the roof is gonna be worse off after this repair, but take it out. Again, very old, very brittle roof, but we're doing our best to be careful. As you can see, the old shingle's cracking and tearing. I'm trying to get these nails out. So I guess I'll go ahead and do an intermission at this point. So as you can see, clear creasing, tearing, and clear creasing along the shingle right here. All these tabs have already broken loose. This one's still intact. These two broken loose. That one's broken loose. The damage is here. The roof is already considered non-repairable, but I'll continue going. Oh, you're good. I got it. These nails have been in there so long, they're pretty difficult to get out. As you can see, the shingle's just tearing and falling apart during the repair, but I mean, it's 22 years old. Last one. Alright, the shingle's falling apart. I'm not sure where this last catch is. This is what's left of the shingle that was damaged. Now we gotta put a new one in. I think we're gonna have some sizing issues. So there's a bit of a sizing issue, so I'm gonna have to trim the shingle a little bit. Obviously, this isn't a permanent repair, as I think we can both agree the roof is not gonna be able to be repaired. So that gets us a fit. I trimmed about, let me steal that from you. I trimmed about 1 to 3/4 of an inch off. That's where we're at without any nailing so far on the shingles. I mean, clear creasing and tearing. I'll try and hurry up though. As you can hear, there's a bit of granular loss. So I'm just squaring this one up before I go down the line. Make sure it's as good as it can get for a temporary repair. Come on, stop falling apart.
Every time you do it, dude, it looks like a dirty carpet.
Yeah. It's an old one. It should be. Top. This is where honestly I think there's going to be the most granular loss because we're actually hitting on shingles that we move now. Last but not least, alright, so we'll go over the aftermath one last time. Again, as you can see, clear creasing, broken tabs, tearing. I mean, this roof is going to continue to fall apart.